So now I'd like to show you how to work Intervallic guitar into playing on jazz standards. And I'll be doing this using Stella by Starlight. And what I've done is I've analyzed Stella by Starlight. I've written a parent either melodic minor scale or major scale that fits the chords. It produces modes like low Korean natural 9 for half diminished and altered for A7, but you truly do not have to worry about how I arrived at these modes and scales for now. Your only concern is to play the correct notes once we decided what the scales are. So generally, when I try to produce a melodic minor mode, it's really easy. You take the major scale and you lower the 3 to flat 3. Instead of C major, you lower E to E flat. That's a 3 of C major. And that's all that happens. So C melodic minor has only E flat. So what I need to do is convert my shape 1, 2, 4, 6 to work in melodic minor. It means changing all my E's to E flats. Instead of this, do this. And F becomes F7. G is not affected. A becomes A half diminished. B is not affected. And C becomes C major minor. Okay, and these are shapes that appear in the melodic minor scale. I know them as shapes. I need the major minor, which is a weird one. I need the major 7 sharp 5. I need the 7s and the half diminished, which I already had in the C major scale. So I first of all learned to play in C melodic minor, the pattern of 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, that's a first step, which is very, very important. And then I would look at my chart, in this case of Stella by Starlight, and I would actually figure out which major scales and which melodic minor scales I'm going to require and learn them all. I'll play them for you. So the first one I need is G melodic minor. Okay, that's the first one. The next one is B flat melodic minor, and notice it's my second finger. My second finger, which tells me what the scale is, what the degree is, I'm sorry, and I'm starting on the 3rd degree, and it's always a pattern of 7th chords repeating in the same order. So it's very helpful to know this because it's just a single pattern that you've learned once in C major. Here I go. Okay, that's my second scale. My third scale will be B flat major. Okay, am I thinking B flat major, B flat, E flat, no problem. The next scale I need is C melodic minor. So I'm starting on the 2nd degree, D minor. Okay, my next scale is E flat major. I'm starting on the 7th degree on half diminished. Okay, the next scale is B melodic minor. I'm starting on the flat 3. That's my lowest point. Okay, my next scale is E flat melodic minor. And I was actually starting on my 6th degree on C half diminished. The next scale is, I think, F major. I'm starting on the 6th degree. The key point is that every time I'm doing the scales, I'm applying either the pattern of the melodic minor scale, which is I can learn it once, or the major scale, and I'm simply figuring out where I am on the pattern. Think of it like a roundabout. You're landing in a city in a roundabout, and you just don't know where you've landed. So once I know with my second finger on which degree I've begun, I absolutely know how to proceed, because it's a pattern of 7 notes, and this helps me a lot. Okay, so that's getting to know the scales.